This is John McNamara with the American Red Cross in Richmond, Virginia. With temperatures approaching triple digits this week, we want to make sure you have the tips and steps to keep you safe during extreme heat.
Never leave children or pets inside a car, as temperatures can quickly reach 120 degrees. Stay continuously hydrated even if you don't feel thirsty. Avoid alcohol as it may lead to dehydration. Check on family, friends, and neighbors who do not have air conditioning, who spend much of their time alone, or who are more likely to be affected by the heat. Check on animals frequently to ensure they are not suffering from the heat. Make sure they have plenty of cool water.
And for tips and steps to keep you safe during extreme weather, visit redcross.org/mobile apps and continue to follow us on Twitter at RedCrossRVA.